guys, I'm reacting to my shorts and then I watch. I really like. No. Yo, the sword looks the best. Okay. That. Okay. So, search for the. Oh, what's your name? Marco. Carlo. Carlo. Something I know so I could choose. What about me? What about me? Another. Wow. What? Okay. Okay. Why? Oh, what's that? That's okay. Nothing beats a jet. The jet there. Cheers, bro.
2, 3.
No.
Hey, kid.
You want some kid? Bawak daw, guys. Hey, talagang lilaw. Sige. Okay, guys. Para sa bayan, fuego! Wow, ayun ay kakratibol ko dyan. Sabi daw, I want to be ninja. I want to be ninja. I want to top of the Chinatown. I want to be. You like that, bro? Okay, let's watch Fear of L. That's it. Fear of L. Okay, Fear of L. Okay, let's go watch Fear of L. Let's watch. Okay, let's watch Fear of L today. Okay, what? Guys. The man. What is it? You called him. It's a wizard. Okay, that's first. Bawal na yun.
So what will you do pag nahihirapan ka sa test mo sa cerebro? What will you do?
Help.
Ask for what?
Help.
Teacher ka mo. Teacher,
Okay.
can you help me?
Stop talking. I'm videoing.
Stop talking, I'm videoing.
Okay, watch. Let's go, guys. You already watch this. Let's watch it. Man in an attack. Hey, whoa! And so look at that. So creepy. Suligaw.
Tapos na naman ito eh. Kaya lang matulog ko ha.
Creepy. I get it. What?
I was convinced that it came from the attic. I shared a bedroom with my brother at that time. And when I had this dream, I always spoke out loud during my sleep. According to my brother, I said things like, somebody is There is a man here. He is here. Uy, kuha ko yung kapatid na doon. Sisipain ko doon para magising. Nakakatakot eh. It freaked my brother out in the middle of the night
Oh.
a couple of times. I'm an adult now, and that horrible nightmare is just a distant memory now. Oh. So, bata pala siya guys. May napapaginipan siyang gano'n.
So creepy.
Okay, so malaki na tayo. Fine. Oh. So, nilagay yung cellphone.
Kaya ganyan says, why is my head doing like that?
Okay, guys. Matapang tayo
Ooh.
Walang sisigaw Matapang tayo dito Walang sisigaw. Nakakatakot naman yung kanino. Bakit kasi may ano kayo? May tuyong ano ba tawag doon? Dahon, halaman ba doon? May tuyong yung cellphone. Nasa ba yung cellphone kasi? Hindi ba? Diba tayo?
Shreds really, guys.
Cellphone natin.
He's worried that a lot of videos.
Cellphone. Hey brother, I just wanted to let you know that we arrived at home safely. Thank you for the invitation. We had a great time. It was nice to catch up. I also feel like I am not
Alex, brother.
But you know how kids are in their imagination. She was probably
I'm sorry we're already there. And my mama there, you can see him. You can see her. So guys, this is a long video. See the ceramic. And you can't see my seriously, I hope. Oh, they're so hard, bro. If I forget you.
It's been a while since I last seen them, so it's
Okay.
about half an
So
hour
you
catching
there?
up with each other. Yes, Tommy.
You there?
I
Okay.
noticed that Lily was clearly interested. I don't blame her. After all,
Okay,
I was
I'm
talking
hiding.
about everyday stuff.
I'm
It's
hiding
probably
for
the
my
most
life.
important thing for a child. I am pretty good uncle, so I offered to let her watch TV in the upstairs
Okay,
room. Showed
I
her
gotta
the
hide.
channels and let her
It's
learn
gonna
to
be
watch some
scary.
TV, away from the boring adults. She was grateful. Okay. So, habang nanonood si Lily, ano kaya nangyayari sa kanya, guys? Maraming narinig ako. Imagination ko lang yun, guys. Ilisin din natin itong ating pinagkainan. Delicious. The night went on. It seems like everyone had a good time. The dinner was ready, so I was about to go upstairs to get Lily to eat with us. And that's when all of a sudden, Lily ran
You
downstairs
can have
screaming.
my
She looked absolutely terrified. It took her a couple of minutes before she could speak. But then she finally said this. There was a man upstairs, staring at me from the doorway. Confused, perhaps a bit frightened, we all went upstairs, searched everything, checked the attic as well, only to find nothing. Eventually, my brother dismissed Lily's story, claimed she was probably just getting
Mali
tired.
naman English yan
And
eh.
soon after they left for the night, I am once again
So-
completely
I
alone
thought that
in the
it seems
house.
like everyone had
Lily's
a good
story
time.
sounds
Dinner was
vaguely
ready.
familiar.
I was about to go
Parang
upstairs.
hindi sa akin yung bata siya guys, no? Nakikita siyang lalaki, nakabahan tuloy ako. Baka totoo yung nakita ni Lily eh. Time to get some sleep. Okay guys, tumuloy na. Pero kung bata pa lang siya, may nakikita na siyang lalaki sa attic, bakit buhay pa din yun? Baka lolo lang eh, siguro guys. Kasi matanda siya ngayon eh. Saan ba yung attic? Don't think use the bathroom now. Ito ba yung attic? Nakakatakot. According to Lily's story, this is where the man was standing, looking straight at her from his doorway, before turning to the attic just like in my dreams. Oh. So, dito nakatayo guys yung lalaki. Nakita ni Lily, tapos dito si Lily. Nanonood ng TV. Oh. The noises, they are coming from the attic. Uy, pupunta ba tayo sa taas guys? Search the attic. Oh, come on, this is bad. This is bad. Guys, be ready ah, be ready. Walang sisigaw ah, walang sisigaw ah. I don't remember even this moment. Wow! Kailangan ba dyan? Parang sinasabi ng instinct ko guys na puntaan natin yung bago. Oh! Bakit ang pain na nakakatakot
Bakit
So
natakot ka?
funny.
Why? What is that? Is that the same? Your ano?
I'm vlogging. It's really scary. Guys, I'm scared of horror.
Why you're scared?
I'm
You're scared, baby. You're scared, baby?
Woo!
Why? Why are you scared?
Wow, sir, ilipat na ako ng bahay, pre. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go to bed, go to bed. Hindi ba natin sinarado yung pinto, guys? Astig. Astig.
Bibi, lalatag lang ako, ha? Sabi ko lang, ha?
Sometimes it's strange noise.
Gawin ko na yung pum, ha?
This is good.
For the cause. But you won't find a question is much more. Okay, so nag-ship tayo in the middle of the night.
You look like a color.
Ewan ko. Wow. Wow. Slow motion pa eh. Ayun na.
This will be true.
Hello?
Hoy! Ano ka nang nanood niyan? Natakot ka pala? Akala ko nanonood pa.
Okay.
Tatakot yan, eh.
Okay, that was scary.
Hindi mo paliginipan mo yan, ha?
Magpa-pray lang ako.
Okay.
Kasi, simple lang yung horror game nyo. Kaya takot ang
Wow, that's at the end.
sa mga horror games na lalaro natin ngayong araw. So, goods naman siya. Wala siyang nakakabuot ang pangyayari. Pero yung kwento,
Okay.
yung mag-build up ng kwentong yun, maganda. Kaya parang nakakatakot. Tapos pa yung ambience ng lugar, ang dilim.
So,
okay.
Baby, dyan ka.
Isang misteryo pa rin, guys.
Tatabi na ako sa'yo.
That's
Pwede
good.
tumabi sa'yo? Para hindi ka matakot.
Okay.
Para sa ating
Yan, man,
second game,
Oh,
Yan na, oh.
no.
tayo isa
Yeah.
sa gabi.
Konti lang, love you.
I wanna put it there.
I love my Andre.
I wanna put the country ball
Oh, free na tabi kami ng country pool. Tabi kami.
Oh, really?
Sarap ng buhay natin dito, guys.
Tabi kami ng country pool.
Really?
I love
Gusto ko yan,
my
Aida.
Andre ko. Sarap naman, grabe naman.
Alis ka na dyan.
Uy, pahinga na si Papa. Hilot mo yung
Alis
head ni
ka na
Papa.
to.
Pahilot ko yung head ni Papa. Hilot mo, hilot. Hilot mo yung head ni Papa. Masakit to. Yan, ang sarap naman. Mababa na ako yan ng konti.
Ilan ko na nalagay ito?
Oo, tayo, urong na tayo. Urong ako, urong.
Alis ka dyan. Alis. Ayaw kita.
Yan. Dali, hilot mo Papa.
Okay.
Hilot mo yung head ni Papa.
Wala ka ilaw-ilaw. Kung pihira lang. Matitisip tayo dito.
Hilot mo na yung head ni Papa.
Mga guys, may mga kotse nga dito. Parang
Yan, hilot mo na yung Papa. Tingnan ko yung pit mo. Gusto ko makita yung pit.
Nakamaya ito, dinadaanan niya. Napakadilim. Follow your instinct, guys. Follow your instinct. Ito.
Dali, hilot mo na yung head ni Papa. Sige na.
I'm fixing my country ball.
Don't fix
You
it.
just ruined my country ball
No,
because
because I love your country ball.
Just
don't love it. I
block it. This is
Why?
love it. I will not.
just
Why?
Okay.
I like your country ball because that's very nice.
Why do we need to take it?
Mine. Not
Yeah, yours. I said nga your, di ba?
Don't hold it.
Yes.
I said nga I love your country ball because it's very nice.
Okay, ano kailangan natin dito? Jam. It looks like the fuse is blown. I need to
Let's get out.
Kailangan ito.
Ba't maganda yung paa mo?
Yes, certainly it was scary.
Kailangan natin yung fuse.
Hirap mo na yung head ko dali.
Yeah, I just vlog it.
Hirap mo na yung head ko dali.
Basic.
No.
Ay, ang sarap naman.
May correction ulit, guys. Maliwanag na ulit ang buhay.
You.
Ay, ano ba yan? Walang hilo.
Is it? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Dito ka sa gitna.
Napanood kong movie.
Yes. Galing naman ako.
God.
Bakit pause muna? Ano
Oh.
nangyari?
Oh.
Night guard tayo guys sa parking lot. Teka. Balik tayo sa guardhouse guys. Tignan natin yung TV natin. Naku, sarado pa rin yung TV natin. What the hell? The gate is closed. Ay, nagsarado yung gate. Ano naman ba nagsarado yung gate? Bantay tayo dito. Kailangan pa bang lumabas? I should call the director. Okay, tawagan niyo si director. What the hell is that sound? Huh? Ano may kumakanta?
Bibi, natatakot ka ba? Matulog ka na doon.
Takot yan.
Tingnan mo, nakatakot ka. Kala ko nanonood dito, yung pala natatakot. Patay na yan.
Gusto niya pa rin panoorin kahit natatakot.
Ay, patay dyan eh.
Parang ako eh.
Diba, sabi ko,
And that's my mom. Shout out to her.
Parang ako yan eh. Pinapanood ko pa rin kahit natatakot.
Wala kasi sound.
wala mo nakakatakot yan. Niloloko lang yan.
Alam naman namin hindi totoo yan. Kaya lang, may feeling ka pa rin.
Hindi mo natatakot. Nagkatawa sa sarili na.
Ako may tiyan ako dito. Pasok ko ulit tayo dito. Nakakabahan na ako guys.
You guys, are you guys scared? Okay, guys.
May sa box. Kung may box dito, baka may bata sa box. Wala naman.
Oh, yes!
Baka nasa mga kotse. Okay, check natin yung mga kotse.
Konto.
Yung mga sasakyan dito.
I'm so scared.
Nice car. May salary of
Patay na yan.
buy one.
No.
Dito.
Ay, may lutin yung ulo eh.
Ayaw niya mo.
Yan. Sarapan mo.
Wala siya sa dito guys. Oh my God.
Patayin na yan.
It's like a baby. I need to open the trunk. I need to find a way to open it. Okay.
Ayaw. Sige.
Okay.
May baby nga sa loob. Baby nga yung
Patayin ko na yan.
natin. Kala ko tiyanak eh.
Masarap.
Ito, screwdriver. Pwede to, di ba?
Asan yung fit mo? Hindi ko makita.
Okay, buksan natin yung...
Bakit?
Eh, gusto ko dito.
Hindi mo.
Hindi.
Okay, guys.
Sa kotse, napakasama nyo naman. Ano nangyari?
Susie. He said,
Bata to, makikala. It's a toy. What's going on? It's not funny.
oh my God! Okay.
Yung maganda na nangyayari guys, kakalagat ng horror movie to eh. Huwag ka kasi nanonood ng horror movie, Mr. Papa TV. Ano ba nangyari sa box? Wala yung mali. Ay! The power box is completely blown. The fuse box is completely blown. I can't fix it. What? Ang gagawin natin yun. Deductive natin yung mga ba?
Oh guys, you guys almost fall.
Ano yung bata?
Guys.
Wow! Oh my God!
Oh.
Bakit pinto ko? Huli ka. Natatakot na sana ako nung kasi may itsura ng dugo eh. Ano nangyari? Teka. Papunta sa guardhouse. Sino sumaksak sa bata? Ha? Sino sumaksak dito? What the?
Matulog ka na dyan. Hilo.
Baka ilagay ko sa truck.
Takot to.
At pinanda ng kotse. At sa kaya tayo dadalhin. Night guard. At ayun, paktay tayo.
What?
Guys, para sa ating birthday, ito ang alone tonight. So,
Alone
ngayong gabi tayo ay
tonight.
mag-isa. At kapag mag-isa, maraming kabigyan ang ginagawa. Natutulog.
Hindi.
Gabi na eh. Tapos matasa ka lang, matulog ka na lang. Kaya manood ka ng movie kung hindi ka pa inaanap.
Mm.
10 p.m. na mag-isa tayo guys. Ano na yung pwede gawin dito? Anong oras na? 10 p.m. Magka 10:10 na guys. 10:10 na. Computer, lumuluwa yung computer natin dito ah. Yung keyboard oh. Dapat kulang yung number guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ba't puro 1, 2, 1, 2 yung number? Ang gagawin natin, mag-sila tayo dito. Hello? Baka magpapahit tayo ng langis sa katawan natin, tapos tilipan tayo. Nalanggan pala tayo. Sunod dilim, nakakatakot. Sa dilim.
Takot naman ako sa bibig. Gulat naman ako.
Ay, katakot sa pinanonood niya.
May kumatok.
Ay!
Ano ka ba? Kayo.
Baka dito. Masarado lahat. Galing. Hello? Nalak po ako sa skirt ng bahay. Parang nangyari yun. Nalak ko sa sarili ko bahay. Baka kayo dito. Wala. Radyo. Wala. Masagi ko kayo. Tignan nyo to guys. May kamay oh. May kamay no? Baka nito yung kumatok. Sa bintana pala yung kumatok. At meron itong Malboro, may Yossi. Okay. So tayo ay nag-smoke nito guys. Sa bintana. Nakalak tong pinto to ah. Paano bukas to? Okay, so share pala tayo dito guys. May banyo tayo dito. Napakadumi ng banyo guys. Parang hindi ka naliligo dito ah. At napakadumi din sa lamig. Hindi mo na makita yung sarili mo. Meron tayong medkit dito. May pills. Ew. Wow, ano ito ni Kiodoro? Oh, hindi mo pa na-shoot. Grabe ka naman. Parang mas bilib sa bintana guys ah. Ha? Ano ba yung ilaw? Wow!
Be, baka na to, tama na yan.
It was scary. Okay, bye-bye guys.